Sylvain Gintoli, Alex Lowe, haven't seen them, but Sylvain, our adopted Brit, the Frenchman that lives here in the UK. He had a big accident the other week at Imola, recovering back home. We hope to see him back on two wheels soon. In the meantime, Andy Griffin chucking that BMW about, hopping from front wheel to rear wheel. Give a round of applause. Almost no hands in front of Goodwood House. How does he teach himself to do these tricks? The bravery needed to just pick up the front end as he's about to do, I rather fancy. Here we go, after he's done a bit of another loop. He's got his feet on the front cakes through the front axle, holding the throttle with his left hand. And he's still going around in circles. Foot down in the section, might get a penalty point from the judges there. Don't tell me he's going to do a week. I will be just staggered. No, stops, and then comes to a halt. Matty Griffin with the BMW picks it round as if it weighs nothing more than a bag of sugar. But this is a motorcycle that is completely in the air as he bounces it off one end to the other using the suspension in the tyres, the suspension in the BMW, and that's the trick that gets me. I just cannot get my head around the fact that he can pick up the front.